friend Shingpoong.
Cảm ơn Shingpoong.
谢谢新峰。
Thank you, Shingpoong.
감사합니다, 신풍.
We believe that helping the sick is work that must transcend national boundaries. Today, many people around the world are working to help others return to good health. Global Care, Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited. Do not put your national health in the hands of another. Since Shingpoong was founded under the motto of For the Health of the People, we have been working hard to develop medicines to continue our business as a global pharmaceutical company. With 50 years of unchanging faith in the importance of keeping our national health in our own hands. With the primary goal since our foundation of consistently developing our own technology, we have created the technology to synthesize materials and work consistently to export in diversified ways. Such efforts have led to many splendid achievements. We were the first Korean pharmaceutical company to be conferred the Order of Civil Merit, Mokbyeon Medal, and were also given the $20 million Export Tower and Iron Tower Order of Industrial Service Merit. We contribute to the health of the people on the basis of our organic overseas network. We pursue a complete service not only by synthesizing raw materials on our own, but also producing finished medical supplies. Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited succeeded in synthesizing a multi-purpose anthelmintic mebendazole in 1975 and became the second in the world to produce the new long-dystoma medicine Praziquantel in 1982. In 1997, we became the second in the world to successfully synthesize loxoprofen, NSAID, and also became the first in Korea to make doxyfluoridine, an anti-cancer drug. In addition, we have not only been producing our own pharmaceutical raw materials, such as clopidogrel, clotbuster, aceclofenac, NSAID, amlodipine, antihypertensive, Hyal injection and Hyal forte injection, arthritic drug, Clomoxin agent, penicillin antibiotic, Clean Ceph capsules, syrup, cephalosporin, Roxygen capsules, digestive stimulants, and Climrol tablets, diabetes medicine, but have also been delivering finished medical supplies. With this production capacity, we have been able to acquire a reputation as a leading professional pharmaceutical company and export our goods to about 50 countries around the world. Our first factory, established in Ansan in 1984, has been producing high value-added pharmaceutical raw materials and high-quality diverse dosage foams, parenteral injection, installations, ointment, liquid for internal use, and solid foam. Our second factory, established in Ansan in 2003, is Korea's largest factory that produces penicillin-finished medical supplies. It has been producing Shingpoong medical supplies, products commissioned by other companies, and overseas export goods, aided by its excellent production equipment based on a computer automation system. Our third factory, established in Ansan in 2008, is equipped with a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, complying with EU GMP, and its design is sufficient for the multi-purpose production of raw materials, including the anti-malarial agent Piramax and other solid foams. Looking toward globalization, we established a factory dedicated to producing cephalosporin drugs and cytotoxic anti-cancer drugs inside Osung Biohealth Science Technopolis in Chungbuk in 2009. And its design was based on the concept design of pharmaceutical plan of NNE Group, an international consulting firm in Switzerland. Future-oriented and R&D-focused Central R&D Center of Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited and Medicine Development Center. Since the Central R&D Center of Shingpoong was established in 1988 in the city of Ansan, approximately 100 researchers have been researching composite materials, biotechnology, and pharmacology. To enhance the efficiency of R&D and expand R&D manpower, Shingpoong will separate the R&D Center and establish the Medicine R&D Center of Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited in 2011. The new center is in charge of medicine research and analysis and research duties. The Central R&D Center and Medicine Dedicated R&D Center of Shingpoong, with enhanced professionalism after separation, actively researches and develops new materials, medicines, improved drugs, composite materials, and new generic products. Shingpoong will contribute to the public health by enhancing its position as an R&D-focused pharmaceutical company, continuous investment in R&D. Shingpoong will confront disease worldwide. A pharmaceutical company does not become globalized through export only. Shingpoong aims to strengthen its foundation as a global pharmaceutical company by becoming the first Korean pharmaceutical company to establish a production base worldwide, including sites in Africa, China, and Southeast Asia. GMC Factory, a joint partnership, was established in Sudan in 1982 to produce anthelmintic, NSAID, ointments, antibiotics, and more. These products have been distributed to Sudan and neighboring countries in Africa. Tianjin Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited in China was established in 1995. The injection, capsule, and tablet manufacturing lines are installed under the design condition of Chinese GMP. Shingpoong Daewoo Pharmaceutical Company Limited in Vietnam was established in 1996 in Ho Chi Minh City to produce and sell injections, capsules, tablets, ointments, and finished medical supplies. It is the largest factory of its kind in Southeast Asia. Shingpoong is a utility company that has supplied anthelmintic to underdeveloped countries in Africa and China since 1970. In 1991, when Shingpoong was carrying out the anthelmintic business with an international organization, we were able to develop Puramax, a malaria composite. After successfully synthesizing a malaria medicine known to have almost zero tolerance. Through the largest international joint project to develop new medicine sponsored by Switzerland, MMV, along with the WHO. And we're the first Korean pharmaceutical company to participate. Our research proved the safety and superior effects of the new medicine and is expected to contribute to eradicating malaria in Africa and Southeast Asia in the future. Global Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited is a warm-hearted company. Working under the company motto of For the Health of the People, Shingpoong does not take care of the health of the people with our technology alone. Rather, we share our heart by continuously supplying medical supplies to countries that desperately need our help. We are currently helping African refugees and carrying out the anthelmintic prevention campaign in North Korea. Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited offers hope and courage to citizens of the world. As a global pharmaceutical company, Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited is accomplishing its future vision through innovation and efforts, and will achieve our goals to triumph over the world market. With our strong will and determined effort to keep the public health, Shingpoong will not rest on its laurels, but will prepare a new beginning, looking at our next 100 years of working for the health of all humanity. Shingpoong is always aiming for higher goals. Shingpoong Pharmaceutical Company Limited is a global pharmaceutical company that cares for public health all over the world.